welcome back to 106 Channel News. Today we will be having our very first planking race. Yes, I said it, planking race. And here we have Lena Zhang, our first contestant.
The beast. Who's gonna win?
Chandra Her, our second contestant. Alyssa Chang, our third contestant. And my
I will win.
You're not supposed to have a microphone. Anyways, yes, they're gonna be doing a planking race, and we will be right back with the final race. Hello, welcome back. We are about to get started with the planking race. So let me just put my microphone down. And are you guys ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, plank! 10 minutes later, they just moved like a little bit. Yep. Hello everybody, welcome back. This is the first time in 10 years that we have a tie in our planking race. We have a tie. Yep, you see this is the finish line, and I can't do it. Okay, this is the spinning plank. Go. Fail. Chandra. Just so you guys know, I was the director of everything.
Okay.
So if you guys really like it, then it's me, okay?